Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie.
Hello and welcome back. This one is a gift that my husband gave me. He just was at Ollie's and saw it and thought I'd like it. It is Tangled by Thomas Kincaid. It has 34 colors and the size is 20 inches by 16 inches or 50.8 centimeters by 40.6 centimeters. Created by Rose Art. I won this and I'm gonna guess that it's a Forever Young canvas because the drills have FY on the drill packets. It also came with some gold. I don't know the name of it. It says FY 234, so I'll have to look it up, but it's 50 by 50 centimeters and it looks like it has 22 colors. This next one, I just did an unboxing for this one. It is Forever Young Summer Serenity by the Sea. It's a Forever Young in-house artist. It is 45 centimeters by 50 centimeters. This one is from Look Art. It is called Carousel Horse. It is 27.6 inches by 19.7 inches or 70 by 50 centimeters. It has 48 colors with 4 special drills. Another Look Art that I recently unboxed. It is called Flair for the Dramatic by Tab Jones. It is 50 by 62 centimeters and it has 47 drills and it has 6 special drills. This one is Oraloa. This is called A Ride Through Wonderland. It's 75 by 58 centimeters. It has 86 colors with 10 special drills. This one is The Enchanted Chromosome by Maria Chetkareva from Oraloa. It is 55.6 by 75 centimeters. It has 79 colors with 10 special drills. This is a new one that I just unboxed. It is called Family Bubble Bath by Coco from Pressed and Placed. It is a square kit, 24.02 inches by 27.01 inches or 61 centimeters by 68.6 centimeters. It has 37 colors with 7 special drills. The one on your right, When the Clock Strikes 12 by Mandy Manzano, 25.6 by 64.6 inches or 65 by 163 centimeters. That one is a duplicate and you will see in my whips in a moment the one that I'm working on. This one is an extra that I purchased to sell, whether it be it my sister or someone else. The two on the left, the one on the far left, let me just move this one. These two are mystery kits. The one on the left is Mystery Kit Interior by Pomichi. It's 25.6 by 36.2 inches or 65 by 91 centimeters. The one on the right is Mystery Kit Interior Enchanted Estate by Rita Konya or Aria Illustration. It's 27.6 by 37 inches or 69.9 by 93.8 centimeters. These are not unboxed yet because they are mystery kits and I do not want to unbox them until I have finished one of my kits that I've already been working on that is a mystery, which you will see in a moment. So until I finish that one, I really don't want to open these yet. And if I decide that they're not something that I want to keep, I will sell them. All 3 of these are still sealed. Now we are going to move over to canvases that I have kitted up but have not started. This is by Dreamer Designs. It is called Sun Showers by Luke Winter. It is 19.7 inches by 15.7 inches or 50 by 40 centimeters. It has 55 colors with 6 special drills and it is kitted up. So everything that I show you from here on out has been kitted up. I just haven't laid any drills on it yet. All Dogs Do Go to Heaven by Mandy Manzano from Diamond Art Club. It is 20.5 inches by 28.7 inches or 52 by 73 centimeters and it has 31 colors with 1 special drill. Spring Awakening by Margaret Morales from Diamond Art Club, 22 by 29 inches or 55 by 72 centimeters. It has 82 colors with 9 special drills. Stained Glass Gown by Teresa Donahue McManus. canvas from Diamond Art Club. It is 22 inches by 31 inches or 55.8 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. And it has 64 colors with 6 special drills. Wings of Valor by Eau Claire Studios. It is 22 inches by 30 inches or 55.8 centimeters by 75.9 centimeters. It has 46 colors with 5 special drills. This is the last one that I have kitted up but haven't laid any drills on. It is Petals Fall by Yume Art from Diamond Art Club. It is 40 by 20 inches or 102 by 51 centimeters. It has 42 colors with 2 special drills. Now we are moving on to my existing whips that I have laid drills on and that I'm currently rotating through to complete. This is Dreaming Elephant by Jeremiah Kettner from Diamond Art Club. It is 25 inches by 17 inches or 63 by 42 centimeters. It has 50 colors with 2 ABs and 4 fairy dust. This is from Feel Look Art. It is called Blush Orchid Glass by an in-house artist. It is 60 by 80 centimeters or 23.6 by 31.5 inches. It has 43 colors with no special drills. And I got this as a PR package for from Feel Look Art. I got this as a PR package from Feel Look Art. And it is a round drill. This is Lovebird Lodge by Richard Lorenz from Diamond Art Club. It's 20 inches by 40 inches or 50 by 101 centimeters. It has 71 colors with 7 special drills. Dreaming of a Better Tomorrow by Jeremiah Kettner from Diamond Art Club. 22 inches by 28 inches or 55 by 70 centimeters. It has 63 colors with 5 special drills. The next canvas that I'm going to pull down is a mystery kit. So if you do not want to see it, you may want to skip ahead. I'm getting ready to share the mystery kit now. This is Mystery Kit 101 Nature Animals by Peggy Collins from Diamond Art Club. It's 27.6 by 27.6 inches or 69.9 by 69.9 centimeters. It has 69 colors and 9 special drills. Duck Bath by Art by Julia from Diamond Art Club. It is 25.6 by 31.9 inches or 65 centimeters by 80.9 centimeters. It has 30 colors and 6 special drills. Moments of Tranquility by Miss Holly from Diamond Art Club. It is 25.6 by 36.2 inches or 65 by 91 centimeters. It has 80 colors with 9 special drills. This one is Heavenly by Emily James from Diamond Art Club. It's 36.2 inches by 25.6 inches or 91 by 65 centimeters. It has 71 colors with 6 special drills. This one is Free to Roam by Chuck Pinson from Diamond Art Club. It is 36.6 by 27.6 inches or 92 by 69 centimeters. It has 80 colors with 6 special drills. Fairy Storyteller by Genovia Art from Diamond Art Club. It is 25.6 by 38.6 inches or 65 by 97 centimeters. It has 87 colors with 10 special drills. Rose Trellis Inn by Randall Spangler from Diamond Art Club. It's 27.6 by 38.6 inches or 69 by 97 centimeters. It has 87 colors with 5 special drills. This is a custom portrait of my mother. It is from Heartful Diamonds and it has 48 colors and no special drills. And it is 35 centimeters by 20 centimeters. This one is Coco the Stained Glass Chihuahua by Peggy Collins from Diamond Art Club. It is 33 inches by 22 inches or 83 by 55 centimeters. It has 74 colors with 4 special drills. This is Enchanting Edge by Rose Prophet from Captured by Radiance. It is 50 by 64 centimeters. It has 53 colors with 10 special drills. Okay, this is the largest canvas in my stash, and it is When the Clock Strikes 12 by Mandy Manzano from Diamond Art Club. It's 25.6 by 64.6 inches or 55 by 163 centimeters. It has 62 colors with 5 special drills. And you can see at the bottom of the canvas is a castle. This is Spring Bicycle Ride by Coco from Pressed and Placed. It is 61 by 71.6 centimeters or 24 by 28 inches. It's a square kit, and it has 40 colors with 8 special drills. An existing whip. Ooh, it's so pretty. And it's the shape. There's just something about these square drills I absolutely love. But that is everything from my stash. I hope you all enjoyed this video. How's your stash look? I'd love to hear from you. Let me know. And I will see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.